What's up, YouTube land, Garage Gang, and friends? I was at Farm and Fleet earlier this afternoon, and they had these Performance Tool 11-piece SAE half-inch drive deep impact socket set on sale for, what was it, like, I don't remember, $14.99 or something. That was $16.08 tax. So I got the SAE set, and I got the metric set. Both of them were 16 bucks and a little bit of change. Comes with 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, and a 22, so they don't give you the 20 or an 11 on that one, which is alright. And then on the standard one you get 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, and 1 inch. So shoot, for 16 bucks. They were normally, I want to say they were like 29 bucks. So that's like 10 bucks off. So had to pick them up. I'll let you know how they work out for me. Peace.